is the world's longest mileage car, having covered a total of 5.23 million kilometers over 52 years. This distance is enough to circle the Earth 130 times or make 6 round trips to the moon. It is regarded as a marvel in automotive history. In 1966, an American man named Gordon purchased this Volvo 1800S for $450. He was passionate about cars, driving 160 kilometers to school every day, and also using it for road trips during holidays. As a reward for surpassing 4 million kilometers in mileage in 2009, Volvo specially gifted him a brand new sports car. However, Gordon seemed uninterested in the new car. Until his death in 2018, the car had been by his side for 52 years, accumulating an astonishing total mileage of 5.23 million kilometers. Throughout Gordon's driving career, the Volvo consumed over 400,000 liters of gasoline, 3,180 liters of oil, underwent 3 water pumps, 5 generators, 6 sets of shock absorbers, 156 tires, 464 spark plugs, and received maintenance 829 times. Surprisingly, the engine had no issues and could still run normally. It has since been collected by Volvo for display in a museum.